In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to encrypt emails in Microsoft Outlook. Email encryption helps keep your message content private, so only intended recipients can read it. This is especially important when you're sharing sensitive information through your work, school, or Microsoft 365 account. The process is simple and looks almost the same in Outlook on Windows, Mac, and the web, so you can follow along regardless of where you use Outlook. Start by opening a new message. In Outlook, click New Mail to bring up a fresh email window. This puts you in the standard Compose view with the familiar toolbar along the top. Next, look for the encrypt option on the toolbar. Depending on your layout, you might see a lock icon labeled encrypt. If it isn't immediately visible, select the three dots at the end of the toolbar to expand more options, and you'll find encrypt there. Turning this on applies protection to the email content and supported attachments. If the option is missing entirely, it may need to be enabled by your organization, and labels can vary slightly depending on your mailbox setup. When you click Encrypt, you'll be prompted to choose the level of protection. This is where you decide how restricted the message should be. Common choices include a basic encrypt setting, which protects the content while still allowing the recipient to forward or print, and more restrictive options such as Do Not Forward, which prevents forwarding, copying, or printing in most clients. Some organizations also provide sensitivity or rights-protected labels, like confidential or highly confidential, that combine encryption with additional policies. Pick the option that best matches the sensitivity of your message. You'll usually see a banner at the top of the email indicating the selected protection, so you know exactly what will